Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your keyboard theme with your own picture or photo. So when you try to make it by using the standard keyboard that you have on your Samsung, you can find it in the general management, then moving to the Samsung Gboard Settings, and then go for the theme. Here we can only find 4 themes, and you cannot set your favorite picture as a theme, right? So what we have to do, we have to simply switch the keyboard. So we have to move for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type Gboard. We have to install this Google application. It's on the most of the other Android smartphones as a default app, but in the Samsung you can find only the Samsung keyboard. Right now we have to wait a little bit, and right now we can simply open this keyboard by typing right here, then tap to enable in the settings, click on the switcher into the Gboard, click OK, and select input method. And of course we are going to switch from the Samsung keyboard to our Gboard. Click done, and then tap on the theme, tap on the switcher, and then simply pick the picture that you want to set up as your theme. I will go for this one. Here we can scale picture. I'm going to take this part, or maybe this one. Click next. Next we can set the brightness level. I will go for the 80% or 79. Click done, and at the end we can turn off and turn on keyboarders. We are able to see our picture more clearly when we turn off keyboarders. And if you want to apply, you have to click right here, and right now when we open the messages, right now we are able to enjoy your new keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.